Hello children, this week you are going to learn how to make 3D snowflakes. For that you just need 3 A4 size papers. So here I am using printer paper. So first let us take one printer paper, fold it into half, press it nicely. Now from the top press it like a triangle. Again press it nicely. Fold it, and now this rectangle part we need to cut it with the scissor. So here we get two square size paper. Again we will cut it from the center. So like this total 6 papers we need. Six. So let us start. First we have to fold square paper into triangle. Then again one more triangle. Press it nicely. Now we have to hold this triangle like an equilateral triangle, and from the side where it is open we need to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and one more line. Don't draw these lines till the edge of the other side. So this is how we have to draw sleeping lines to this equilateral triangle from the open side. Just draw 4 lines, don't draw more than that. And now we will cut these lines. Don't cut it completely, we don't need strips, but we just need to cut it till where we have drawn it. Now we'll open this, and here we go. So now as you can see there are two small cuts in the center. So we need to place glue on that. Just put a dot glue at the tip of this paper. Just a dot glue. Don't put too much glue, it will take time to dry. And you will find it little bit difficult to paste this, but no worries. For pasting you can keep a pencil. You can hold a pencil like this and press it from the top. Don't fold it or press it from the top completely on the paper, otherwise your snowflake will become flat, and we need it in a 3D. Now turn your page, and the other side we need to fold it like this. Again here I had put a dot glue, and we will overlap the opposite side fold on top of this. Press it, wait for 5 seconds to dry. Again turn it. Now this side we will paste it in a similar manner. Now turn it the opposite side. Repeat the same thing. And now the last petal. Just put a dot glue, overlap the other fold on top of it. Press it gently, wait for 5 seconds, and it is done. So we are done with one petal. Like this we need to make 6 petals. So this is how you have to stick one petal to the other once we are done with the stapling of all the 6 petals together. This is the place we'll be sticking it with glue. Now we will take all the petals together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again the 6th petal, and we will staple it. So you have to hold it like this and just staple it. So once you are done with the stapling part, now we have to glue each petal just at one point. So over here you have to put a dot glue. The opposite side, hold it for 5 seconds. And you are done. Now again over here, just put a dot glue. Press it like this. Hold it for 5 seconds. And you're done. So like this you have to join all the 6 petals and your snowflake is ready. You can hang it, you can stick it on the door, it looks very pretty. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.